Hey everyone, ever been stuck with a car that won't start or makes weird noises? Today I'm breaking down 10 common car problems and how to fix them, saving you money on repairs. Let's dive in. First up, dead batteries. If your car won't start, your headlights are dim, or the engine cranks slowly, you likely have a battery issue. Fix. Try a jump start. If that works, recharge the battery. If it keeps dying, replace it. Pro tip. Check your alternator and battery connections. They might be the real culprits. An overheating engine is a big red flag. If your temperature gauge spikes or you see steam, pull over immediately to avoid engine damage. Fix. Let the engine cool, check coolant levels, and look for leaks. Common causes: broken water pump, faulty radiator, or a blown head gasket, which is expensive, so act fast. Grinding gears, slipping shifts, or a burning smell, your transmission might be failing. Fix. This isn't a DIY job. Get a professional diagnosis ASAP. Ignoring it can lead to costly repairs. Never ignore brake issues. Spongy pedals, squealing, or grinding noises mean worn brake pads. Replace them. Leaking fluid or damaged lines. Get them fixed immediately. Your safety depends on it. Rough idling, poor fuel economy, or engine misfires. Your spark plugs might be worn out. Fix. Swap them out. It's an easy and cheap repair. A flat tire is annoying but fixable. If you don't have a spare, call a tow truck. Prevention. Check tire pressure regularly and inspect for punctures. The dreaded check engine light can mean anything from a loose gas cap to serious engine issues. Fix. Get an OBD2 scanner. They're cheap. Or visit a mechanic for a diagnosis. If your lights are dim and your battery keeps dying, your alternator might be failing. Fix. Test it. If it's bad, replace it before you get stranded. If turning the key does nothing, your starter motor could be dead. Fix. Tap it lightly. Sometimes it works temporarily, but replacement is the real solution. Rumbling noises or poor fuel efficiency. You might have an exhaust leak or bad sensor. Fix. Inspect for rust or damage and replace faulty parts. The best way to avoid these problems: regular maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations, fluid checks, belt and hose inspections. A little care saves you big repair bills down the road. Which of these issues have you faced? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe on the road.